Under the shade of lush green trees, the masterpiece of nature begins to flourish with the pure colors of pomelo blossom season. Every year, as spring arrives, the tranquil countryside suddenly bursts into a sea of delicate white flowers, creating a romantic and pure beauty. Each tiny petal, like smooth white pearls, glistens under the morning sunlight. The gentle fragrance of pomelo blossoms fills the air, making the space sweet and enchanting. Soft breezes gently blow by, causing the shimmering flowers to dance, creating a dreamlike image reminiscent of fairy tales. Beneath the canopy of trees, the chirping of birds echoes, composing a symphony of nature harmoniously intertwined with the scent of pomelo blossoms. A sense of peace and happiness fills the hearts of all who behold this magnificent beauty. Clusters of pomelo flowers bloom on gracefully arched branches, as if conveying the message of spring. It is a symbol of new life, hope, and belief in a brighter tomorrow. Each pomelo blossom serves as a lesson in patience and the power of love as they continue to bloom regardless of any harsh conditions. And under the deep blue sky, the pomelo blossom season tells a tale of the pure beauty and fierce vitality of nature. Let yourself be immersed in the gentle fragrance of pomelo blossoms and let your heart soar in the vast expanse of spring.